Welcome back to Dropping Motors. We got the 305 being held by our newly built engine hoist as we get ready to drop this motor. Mr. C homeboy pulled up. Steve, what's up, Steve? Appreciate you, boy. He came to give us a hand today as we drop this 305. Let's get to it, Steve. You got the right shoes on, them working shoes. We still have some more work to do before we crank this thing up, but stay tuned every week for updates, man. It's going to be a good old journey we're going to go on. We're going to build this thing together. For now, we will put the hood back on and push it out the way to make room for our next project. If you pay close attention, you'll see the tail of this beauty once we push the Silverado out the way. I ain't gonna show y'all nothing else. Any question you got for our boy Mr. C, write it in the comments below.